Hola amigos, soy Kiran. Bienvenido en clase de español. ¿Cómo están? I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to learn conjunction, and in this video we are going to complete our conjunction. What is conjunction? How do we use conjunction in Spanish? So what is a conjunction? Conjunction is a word such as and, but, or, so, if, and, because that links two words or phrase of a similar type or two parts of a sentence, like Sarah and I have been friends for a year. So here and join and links two words. Okay, I laughed because I was bored. So here because complete the sentence, like I laughed because I was bored. Okay, so here and because are the conjunction. So in this video we are going to learn conjunctions. Okay, o, pero, que, si are the most common conjunctions that you need to know in Spanish. And e means and, so e means and allow you to put together two or more words, close sentence, all of them, including all of them in the same group at the same time. Okay, like fui al cine y al parque. I went to the movies and the park. Me gustan el amarillo y el azul. Antonio hizo la compra y preparó el almuerzo. Anthony went grocery shopping and prepared lunch. So here E links two parts of the sentence. Okay, like fui al cine y al parque. Okay, E means and. It's allowed to you to put together two or more words, a clause or sentence, etc. Okay, next E, A. First we learn E and next is A. A and use before words starting with I and HI. So H is silent in Spanish. It's pronounced I. Juan y Isabel fueron al concierto. So here Isabel. Isabel is a word starting with I. So here we cannot use E because the word to pronounce same, like E, Juan, E, Isabel. So it's pronounced same. So we use A instead of E. Okay. Juan e Isabel fueron al concierto. Diana y Isabel. Madre y hija. So here the letter start with H, but in Spanish H is silent. So it's pronounced hija. Hija. So we use A. Okay. Madre e hija. Not hija. Okay. Diana e Isabel. Madre e hija. Not I. H-I-E. H-I-A, we use E. But if we have the word starting with the word letter H-I-E, it's pronounced different, like A. Hierba. Hierba. Okay. So we don't use A. We use E. Árboles y hierba. Okay. I hope you understand. All things is clear. O means or. O means or. So used when you need to choose one from two or more alternatives. So we can use O. ¿Quieres café o té? Do you want coffee or tea? ¿Quieres café o té? Do you want coffee or tea? Okay. Quizás es profesor. ¿Qué es o médico? Note that you use U instead of O before words beginning with O or O. So here also is the thing that if we have the word starting before the O and O, so we use U, like 10 u 11. If we have, if I put here O, so it's pronounced same like 10 o 11. So we cannot use this O, we use U. 10 u 11 minutos u horas. Not that you use O instead of O between numerals to avoid confusion with 0. Okay, like 6 o 7. 6 o 7. Okay, I hope you understand the difference. U instead, tendrás, you can say like tendrás 7 u 8 años. Elige uno u otro. So the pronunciation is same. So we use u instead of o when we have the word o. Okay. For numeral we use o with accent. Okay. Pero means but. Pero is but. Pero means but. Quería ir, pero no puedo. I wanted to go, but I could not. Okay. So you can use to indicate contradiction or emphasize. Okay. Like es bajo, pero es un buen jugador de baloncesto. He's short, but he's a good basketball player. Sino also, but rather. Sino normally used when the previous part of the sentence is negative. No es rojo, sino azul. It's not red, but rather blue. Porque because. Porque because mainly used to answer porque means why. Question. No vine porque estaba enfermo. I didn't come because I was sick. No voy a la fiesta porque estoy enfermo. I'm not going to the party because I'm ill. Okay, so porque mainly used to answer why. Question. ¿Cómo está lloviendo? No podemos salir. Because or as it's raining, we can't go out. Que means that. Que used to informal situation, it also normally has the connotation of a warning or hidden advice. Espero que vengas a la fiesta. I hope that you come to the party. Sabe que estamos aquí. He knows that we are here. Come because I need help. Ven que necesito ayuda. Next is see. See mostly used to introduce a condition. Like, si vas a la tienda, compra tomates. If you go to the grocery store, buy tomatoes. Si tienes tiempo, llámame. If you have the time, call me. So here it's used to introduce a condition. Sabes si nos han pagado ya? Do you know if or whether we have been paid yet? So here we learn few conjunctions words. Next we have more. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Gracias por ver. Hasta luego.